Hey guys, I'm Cory Greenwood. It was an honor to be at the schools today. We got to do the high school and the middle school this afternoon. I've been fortunate enough to travel all over the United States, talking to kids in small rural communities, big cities, all over. I talk to adults, little kids, teenagers, and one thing that I've found out is that no matter how different we might seem, we all have stuff. We all have things that we struggle with that make us feel alone, that make us feel like we're never gonna get through it. And my goal, my job is just to help people see that you're not alone, that we can get through anything when we don't try to do it by ourselves.